Okay, I'm on. Nice. Double hookup.
Holy shit, that's a nice video, right?
Yeah, dude. This is awesome.
He's not giving up.
Couple of them got big fish over here, but my biggest was only about 27.
Shit, we have to do this.
So we got a bunch of 24.
Whoa, he's not done yet.
Nice. No, but almost. See what that. Nice. Nice.
Cute. Wow.
Oh, I got a great shot of him. There you go.
Wow, they like this little fly here.
That's it. What did you get? Or what were you using?
The little, it's a little Puglisi thingy.
Think we can get an underwater shot?
Yeah, put it in there.
Yeah, it's gonna be fucking cold.
There. Oh shit.
That's alright.
It slipped out of my hand. Oh wow, it's really buried in there. I fish barbless too, man. Shit.
Nice.